you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am huge on Valentine's Day. Those of you who have been with me for a long time know this to be true. I love Valentine's Day themed or Valentine's themed products. I love the pink, the purple, the red, the fuchsia. I just love it. Something about it is so appealing to me. So, the makeup industry is banking on that this year because there are several Valentine's themed releases that are about to come out, and I am so here for it. So if you're interested in seeing what's about to release as far as a Valentine's Day theme, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this really isn't going to be a style of new makeup releases, what do I really need? This is going to literally be just a let's chat about Valentine's makeup, about what's about to come out in relation to that theme. Now obviously I've already told you that Valentine's themed stuff is right up my alley, so you know that I'm probably going to pick some of this stuff up, but just kind of want to talk about it, and that way you can let me know in the comment section below what you're planning on picking up, because maybe you've heard of something that I haven't and I need to have on my radar. So let's go ahead and get started with the first product. So this is the one I'm probably most excited about, y'all. This one and another one that's in conjunction. Oh my gosh, when I saw the Instagram promo photos, I think my heart fluttered a little bit. I got those Valentine's Day butterflies. Natasha De Nona, you guys, is coming out with an eyeshadow palette and a face palette. She's coming out with the Love Eyeshadow palette. It is a 15 pan palette, and you guys, it's the $65 version, the one that comes in the smaller packaging. It's got smaller pans of product. But you guys, whoever goes through a large pan of any kind of eyeshadow, but especially a Natasha De Nona eyeshadow, oh my goodness, you guys, the packaging is every bit of a dream as I would want. It's like just a beautiful baby to mid pink, and then the trim on the inside is almost like a coral pink. It is so stunning that I can't wait to get my hands on this, you guys. So that is releasing. Well, let me tell you, it says it's 15 new shades of pinks, mauves, purples, corals, oh my gosh, silvery neutrals, rich burgundies, and a fiery red. I love red eyeshadow. It is right up my alley. I mean, you wear it and people tell you you look sick, but it's like, no, 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 no. This is a thing. It looks beautiful. So that will be releasing January 28th online on Natasha De Nona's website as well as Sephora, and then in stores on February the 6th. So that being said, let's move into the other portion of this same release by Natasha De Nona, and it is the Love Glow Cheek Palette. Ah, you guys, so I am a huge fan of her Bloom face palette that is in this same format, as well as the, I don't remember what it's called, but it's the bronze one. Those are beautiful. They are everything you could want in a glowy type of face product, and this is going to be no different. And I'm just going to tell you that I am so here for the packaging. This is like a Valentine's dream come true. It is stunning. It's got like pink, and then the cover, the inside the acrylic, it's got like this, I don't know if glitter or sequins, or it's very pleasing to my eyes. And so this is, again, called the Love Glow Cheek Palette. And then this will also be available same day as the Love Eyeshadow Palette, the 28th on Natasha De Nona's website and Sephora, and then in stores on the 6th of February. It also says Sephora Europe, February 17th. So, I mean, just in case there's some of y'all who are wondering what that date is as well. So that is super exciting. I'm going to assume this is going to be the same price as her previous ones, which were $55. I know it's pricey, it is luxury, but it's also a beautiful product. I'm hearing the grass being cut outside. So if you start hearing it, I am so very sorry. I have no control over that. But that is what's coming out from Natasha De Nona, and I can't tell you, I could not be happier. This is like, I already feel that this is going to be a great Valentine's Day, if only for that. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Now, I don't know that this is specifically for Valentine's Day, but I'm going to tell you, it kind of, to me, has a sort of Valentine's vibe, and in addition to that, it's being released as we get closer to Valentine's Day. This is by ABH. It's another one of the minis, so you remember during holidays they released Volume 1 and Volume 2 of the 9-pan palettes. I have both of those. I'm actually wearing Volume 1 on my eyes today, and it is beautiful for a Valentine's Day look. I mean, who knew when that was released in holidays? This is going to be more of a cherry theme, and the red and pink is really what prompts me to think, okay, like I feel like they're kind of tying into the whole Valentine's Day theme. This is, again, Norvina Mini Pro Palette Volume 3. It's going to be $29, so same price as the others. I believe it will be limited edition. And it, again, has a cherry theme. It has 9 full-size cherry shades from red wine mattes to sparkling berry metallics. Oh my gosh. Everything I could want in a Valentine's Day palette, it seems, in addition to Natasha De Nona, of course. It releases online at Sephora on January 27th, and then January 31st it will be available in stores. Alright y'all, let's talk Fenty Beauty because this has me just over the moon. I'm so excited for this release. Now, on January 31st, and typically the Fenty releases, they release online and in store on the same day. It is a Mattemoiselle Trifecta Plush Matte Lipstick Set for Valentine's. So this is even being marketed as, hey, this is a Valentine's set. So I love her Mattemoiselle formula. I've got two. I've got Griselda, and then I've got, I think it's like Candy Venom. Those are so stunning. The formula is amazing. It stays matte, but it doesn't suck all the moisture out of my lips. Doesn't leave my lips parched and looking like raisins. It looks fluffy on my lips. I don't even know how to describe it. I really, really love the formula. Well, for $39, you can get a limited edition trio of full-size plush matte lipsticks. So there's going to come 3 shades in this set. It's a Dusty Rose, Royal Red, and Electric Pink. Now, the thing about it is I don't think they're all new shades. I already own one of them, Candy Venom. So I'm really excited about this set, but I am seriously thinking, okay, do I want to pick it up for those other 2 shades? I think I do. Anyways, so we'll see. But I am so excited that she's releasing a Valentine's themed set or product. Oh, it's so awesome, and I love the vibes that come with it. Okay, the next product I don't think is Valentine specific, but it's about to release, and it is literally like pink perfection. So I'm going to include it in here. Again, technically not a Valentine's Day product. It's just the timing of it all, and then the color scheme. It goes. And this is an addition to the Glow Recipe Watermelon lineup, which we all know and love. And it is the, let's see, what's it called? The Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a 3-in-1 scrub to balm that smooths, hydrates, and tints lips in a universal pop of pink. Watermelon extract hydrates, delivers essential vitamins, and soothes. Coconut, it's coconut flower sugar that hydrates and provides physical exfoliation. To gently remove dead skin, while coconut oil moisturizes, preventing further dryness and flaking. Let's see, you can also apply 3 coats to build up color. It's clear with a very soft hint of pink. It sounds so romantic, so Valentine's Day-ish that you're like, yeah, I kind of have to have that. I don't know, the descriptions always get us. Anyways, okay, let's move on. Just a couple products left, really. The next one is by Colourpop. Now, Colourpop is releasing a what seems to be Valentine's themed collection specific to Ulta. You guys know that they will sometimes release eyeshadow palettes that are specific to Ulta and come to Sephora's website. So it is a 12-pan eyeshadow palette. Now, it does have a couple of other products, I believe. I think there's like a little duo of Super Shock shadows. I can't remember. I think there may even be a lip product. I'm going to go over the eyeshadow palette specifically, but the packaging on this palette is so pretty, so Valentine's, and the title of the palette is You're a Cutie. You remember the little conversation hearts that nowadays are so hard to find, and they honestly taste like dust and chalk and with a little bit of sugar, but you eat them because it's classic Valentine's Day. Okay, that's the title of this palette. you are a cutie. I love it. I think that's super creative. What a way to play on like memories and classic stuff, you know? So it will be $18. Doesn't have a release date yet. However, I do think it's going to be dropping very soon. The color scheme's a little bit darker than what I would like. I would have liked to have seen a little bit more vibrant in the mattes as far as like pinks and things like that, but we'll see. The packaging looks really, really cute, and you guys know I get sucked in by the packaging. Who knows? Okay, so then the next product is for those of you who love indie brands. I know that sometimes indie brands are where it's at. You get the lesser price point and you get an amazing product. Well, I have not heard of Sugary Cosmetics. Maybe you have, but they are coming out with apparently a whole Valentine's collection, an eyeshadow palette that's called Sugary Hearts, and that's going to be $29. That includes 18 shades, 9 mattes, 6 shimmers, 3 pressed glitters, and it's chocolate scented. It looks like it comes in a chocolate box, the kind you'd go get at your grocery store, you know, the big red heart has a ton of chocolates inside. It looks like there's going to be some lashes, a brush set, a brush, and a brush case. Anyways, so super, super cute. If you are into the Valentine's theme and you support indie brands, then that one's a good one. And then last but certainly not least, the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's collection for this year is actually going to be a Stormi collection. So I was a huge fan of last year's Valentine's collection. It had everything I would want. So the way I feel this year about the Natasha De Nona is the way I felt last year about the Kylie Valentine's set. I just think the packaging was stellar. It was pink and I think it was red and white. Anyways, super, super cute, but the color schemes, like the lipsticks were like a beautiful dusty pink, and then the eyeshadow palette had every kind of color you'd want for Valentine's Day. It was just right up my alley. It literally was Valentine's Day just all bundled up. Anyways, so that aside, this year is going to be a little bit different. It almost looks more like a spring collection, but it has been said that this will be her Valentine's collection for this year. So it is the Stormi collection. It will release on February the 1st. There's a mini eyeshadow palette, 3 mini lip kit sets, and then a blush and a mini of the high gloss set. Mini high glosses in a set. Did I say that right? Anyways, prices yet haven't been released for that, but you guys know I love her eyeshadow. I love a lot of her products, truly. So I've got my eye on the eyeshadow palette. However, it's a mini, and we'll see how much it's going to be because I don't want to pay for shipping, and it might be less than the minimum amount that you would, you know, get free shipping on. So that is the last of what I have seen to be releasing here for, you know, the whole Valentine's Day theme, and definitely a lot more, I think, than last year, because last year I don't really remember there being anything aside from the Kylie launch. So it's certainly exciting, like for people like me, who really just kind of spend money on things related to Valentine's Day. Hey, I treat myself for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. You guys, you don't need a guy to be able to give you a great Valentine's. I have spoiled myself. Now, it doesn't mean spending a ton of money, but there's certain ways to have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I do have a video planned coming very soon on how I do treat and spoil myself for Valentine's Day. You gotta love on yourself too, make yourself feel, you know, loved and special, and just have a great day. It's all about the girly stuff, I think, anyways. All right, my friends, thank you so much for stopping by and talking Valentine's Day makeup with me. I'm super excited about it, if you couldn't already tell. All right, before I let you go, I want to give you a quick verse of the day. I mean, we were talking about Valentine's Day makeup, and Valentine's is about love, so I kind of just want to impart some encouragement and love your way in an effort just to tell you that I love you and that Jesus loves you. You are never alone. You are never forgotten. You are so, so special. Everybody is so unique and so special in their own way. And I just want to let you know that you are so, so special. Just being able to talk to you, I may not know you personally, but you are certainly special to me, and I thank God for you. So today's comes from Hebrews 13:8, and it says, Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.